Just wanted to shoot a little video of the height of the chill cube versus the rear AC vent. You can see the rear AC vent is just above that shed, and hard to see, but the highest point of the chill cube is about even, maybe a few inches higher than the shed. Hard to really tell. You can see it barely sticking up right there. So I don't think we've gained any overall height on the RV. They're certainly higher in the front in the low profile ACs. Gives it a little different look, but that's what it is.